Drag and drop a source, queue, processor, sink, robot and 2 network nodes. Make a connection between source and queue, queue and processor, then processor and sink. The robot is going to work between the queue and the processor. Place the network nodes between queue and the processor. Make a connection between the 2 network nodes. Make a connection between the first network node and the queue and make a connection between the second network node and the processor. Add the robot reference in the use transport field of the queue. Make a connection between the robot and the first network node. Press reset and run the model. Now you will be seeing the robot running between the network nodes. Thank you for watching.